To set Swipes Touchpad with three fingers as switch desktop and show desktop in Windows 11 Home. Right click on empty area on the desktop and then select personalize. Next click on tab Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down the screen, tap touchpad, and then tap three finger gestures. And then on swipes, tap drop down menu, select switch desktops and show desktops. Then you can uh, swipe with three fingers up to multitasking view, then to show desktop, left to switch desktops, or like right to switch desktop. For example, up, down, up, left, and right. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.